How to save one-time photo in Telegram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a one-time photo in Telegram before it disappears. If you've ever gotten a photo that disappears after viewing, you know how frustrating it can be, but don't worry, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First things first, before you open the photo, you can try turning off auto delete in Telegram to prevent it from vanishing immediately. Just open Telegram and tap on the settings. Simply go to privacy and security. Under the self destruct timer, you'll find an option called self destruct timer. If you have it, you can simply tap on it and make sure to disable it temporarily or set a longer timer if needed. Now, if you don't have the option, what you can do is when you get a photo, one time photo in a Telegram chat, just tap it and press and hold on the photo. After a few seconds, you'll see the option to save to gallery or save image. Tap on save to gallery and the photo will be saved to your device before it disappears. Now, another method is to use a screenshot. To do that, simply open the chat that you want to screenshot, and from there simply tap on the one time photo. Quick press the power and volume down buttons on your phone to take a screenshot. The screenshot will be saved to your gallery, allowing you to keep the image. And that's it. That's how you can simply save a one time photo in Telegram.